What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are back at it again with this 2019 Nissan Titan. We are on part 4 of this, trying to remedy the no start stalling issue. And so at this phase, we're gonna go ahead. We've got our cam sensors in here. We've got 4 of these. We're gonna go ahead and pop these in and see if this solves our issue. Again, the code we were seeing is the P0725 code. We did see the U1000 code. I think that possibly was resolved with the battery being changed, but we'll find out one way or the other. But I got these cam sensors. We're gonna go ahead and pop these in and see if we get any changes in what we're seeing. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lift up this cover here. You just pull up and then pull towards you, and it pops right out. All right, so here are the 4 sensors we're changing. We got one here, and then the other 2 are on this side. There's one right down here, and the other one is underneath here, which you can't see. So we're gonna have to get this out the way in order to get to it. So let's go ahead and start the job. All right, first we're gonna start by removing this. You can see we have one sensor here and another one right there. Now the new sensors do come with their own O-rings, so there's no need to purchase any additional rings when doing this. The part by itself is good enough. All right, so when it comes to this last sensor right down in there, there is a 14mm bolt that goes right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unhook this. We're gonna unhook this piece of the sensor, take out that bolt, and then that allows us to rock this a little bit to get just enough space to be able to work on that connector down there. All right, once you get everything placed, be sure to rock that bracket back and reconnect the connector that was unplugged and replace the 14mm bolt. Okay, so now that we got all 4 sensors replaced, again, one there, one there, and one underneath here, this area. All are replaced. Again, this is to address the P0725 code. We already did the crankshaft. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and see what we get. So as you can see, this fix did not resolve the issue. When I press on the gas, it does still shut off. So we're going to have to move on to the next culprit, but even still, hope you enjoyed this video. It's your boy BT, and I'll catch you guys on. Hold up, wait 1 minute. So it's the next day, and I did get up, start the truck. It actually started right away. So let's say we resolved portions of the problem, but haven't addressed the entire problem on a large scale. So we initially got that P0725 code, which I believe has been addressed with the changing of the crank sensor. Even though maybe the crank sensor wasn't the issue, we changed it regardless. The P0725 code came back. We changed the cam sensors, and after a few short runs, I have not seen the code pop back up again. Now I will monitor this to see if that code comes back, but let's say that we did actually resolve the P0725 code. It's your boy BT, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.